Hi, my name's Trey, and I started cutting my own hair during the pandemic. The one thing that really bugs me about getting a haircut is that I always clog the sink with my own hair. This is going to be my first time trying the CUTCAM, which I can use anywhere, like right here, outside. Normally when I cut my hair, I don't look at the back of my head at all and I'm just eyeballing it. But now I can actually see if it's even or not. I just finished giving myself a haircut with the CUTCAM, and I can't believe how good it looks. It feels smooth all the way around, and I feel totally confident going out in public like this. Normally when I give myself a haircut, there are bumps and layers, and sometimes I have to wear a hat when I go out in public. But this was so quick that I could probably just give myself a haircut to maintain like every 2 weeks or so.